find the limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of 3x minus 1 divided by sine of x. First, what you want to do is just try subbing in x equals 0. So you're going to have cosine of 3 times 0 right here for x minus 1 divided by sine of 0. Again, replacing x with 0. See what you get from this. You're going to have cosine, now 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1, and in the bottom, sine of 0 is still 0. So you're going to end up with 1 minus 1 over 0. That's going to give you 0 over 0, which is d and e, doesn't exist. So we're going to use L'Hopital here. So it's going to give us the limit as x approaches 0. Now we had cosine of 3x. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. You copy the inside and you multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 3. The derivative of the negative 1 in the original is 0, so that goes away. In the bottom you have sine, so that becomes cosine of x when you differentiate the top and the bottom independently. Then you try substitution again, so it's going to be negative sine of 3 times 0 right here times 3 on the outside divided by cosine of 0 right here, plugging in. So this is going to give us negative sine of 3 times 0, which is 0 with the 3 on the outside. Now cosine 0 on the bottom is 1, so that's going to give us the following then. Negative sine of 0 is again just 0 right here times the 3 divided by 1. So you're going to have 0 times 3, which is 0 on the top, over 1, but 0 divided by 1 is 0. So if this is helpful, friends, please be sure to leave a like. Thanks so much for watching.